All right, let's go over example 2, plotting ordered pairs. And this is part of chapter 6, section 5, the coordinate plane. The directions say to plot the following ordered pairs and state the quadrant. Okay, so down below here we have our coordinate plane. Notice there's nothing plotted on there yet. That's because we get to plot the ordered pairs. Okay, also just ignore this little 336 times 339. That's just from, I just grabbed this image off the internet, so just ignore that. I'm just going to grab a couple tools for us to use for reference here. The first thing I grabbed is our picture of the different quadrants, because the directions say we need to state what quadrant our ordered pair is in. And then I also grabbed x comma y to remind us that in our ordered pair, we find the x coordinate first and then the y. Remember, x is the horizontal line, the number line that goes across, and y is the vertical number line, the number line that goes up and down. Remembering that 0, 0 is the origin of our coordinate plane. That's where the horizontal and vertical lines meet. Okay, so we need to plot coordinate A, which is -2, 3. So first, let's find -2, our x-coordinate, on our number line first. So -2 is 2 to the left. So here's -2, where my little cursor is. And now we need to go +3 for our y-coordinate. So that's 3 up. So 1, 2, 3. So there's our little dot. And that is our A coordinate. So I'm just going to label it A. Okay, and then we need to state what quadrant it is in. So let's look at my little graph here. It's not in quadrant 1. Oh, it's in quadrant 2. So I'm just going to write Q2, quadrant 2. Okay, let's plot B. B is at 0. So remember, that's our x-coordinate. So it's at 0, so we don't need to go to the left or to the right. It's at 0. And then -3, so we need to go 3 down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And this is B. Okay, and then we need to state what quadrant. Oh, but it's right on the line. So when that happens, we're just going to state what line it's on. Let's see. So is it on the x-coordinate or the y? Well, x is this number line that's straight across, so it's not on the x-coordinate. Let's see. It is on the y-coordinate, though. So instead of writing a Q, 1, 2, 3, or 4 for which quadrant, we're just going to write y-axis. Because it's on the y-axis, it's on the y number line. Okay? Now let's plot coordinate C. So 3 is our x-coordinate. So again, I'm going to start at 0, 0 and go 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then -1 is my y-coordinate. So I'm going to go 1 down, or down 1. Okay, so there's my plot for C. Okay, now what quadrant is it in? Let's see, not in Q1, quadrant 1, not in quadrant 2, not in quadrant 3, but it is in quadrant 4. Q4 for quadrant 4. All right, let's plot D. Starting at 0, 0, our x-coordinate is 2, so that means we're going to go 2 to the right, 1, 2. We go across first, and now let's go up and down. And our y-coordinate is 3, so let's go up 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is coordinate pair D. Okay, now let's state what quadrant it is in. Quadrant 1. Oh, it is in quadrant 1. So Q1. Okay, now let's plot coordinate E. Again, starting at 0, 0, -4. So that means we need to go 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then -1. So that means we need to go down 1. And this is E. Okay, now what quadrant is it in? Not in 1, not in 2. It's in quadrant 3, so Q3. So again, when we are plotting ordered pairs, we plot horizontal first across on our number line, always starting at 0, 0, looking at that first number. And then for our second number, that's our y-axis. So then we need to go up and down. And that's it.